President of Hawaii.
Governor, thank you. Thank you, David.
Governor of Hawaii.
Good.
Fires in the area within the city, but also the county. That's the second fire that actually came out, and we're actively engaged in that firefight.
Not only in the city of Pasadena, but also the county area of Altadena. And we're doing our very...
We're prepared to do anything and everything as long as it takes to contain these fires and help reconstruct, make sure we get back to normal. It's going to be a hell of a long way. It's going to take time. We're in it, the government here to stay.